Looking to earn a free $5 on Cash App? Here's how you can do it. First, download Cash App from your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, create your account using your email or phone number. During sign up, enter a referral code. Use ZNKZWSN or KPNBSJ to qualify for the $5 bonus. Next, link your debit card to your Cash App account. Then, send $5 to another Cash App user within 14 days of signing up. Once the transaction is complete, the $5 bonus will be credited to your account. Remember, this offer is available only to new users and is subject to Cash App terms and conditions. Always ensure you're using legitimate referral codes and avoid sharing personal information with unverified source. That's it. Enjoy your free $5 on Cash App.